It's that time of the month again. This is my pad of choice. Here's my outfit of the day.
Hey, it's your girl Carol. Welcome back to Carol on the Move, where we cook, travel, do some life challenges, and live life with flavor. Let's go!
Guys, it's that time of the month again, and well, this is my pad of choice. I either use the Cortex or the Femela because I've had some problem with other pads, and this one, especially being a maxi thick, I like it because, especially for somebody who has a strong flow, who has a lot of flow, it's quite big. Anyway, the reason I decided to talk about that is because I don't need to be ashamed of something that will happen every month until I get to menopause, or probably until I'm pregnant, of which I'll not be pregnant every year. So I think it's time we stop being ashamed of such topics, because they are biological at the end of the day, and there's nothing I can do about it. And if I do not receive it, then I'll start being concerned about my fertility as well. So I don't think it's appropriate to like stigmatize it and make it feel like it's a bad thing. I'm talking about that because I know my sister would be ashamed of me saying so, or showing you or telling you it's my time of the month. But at the end of the day, it's something I cannot change. It's biological. So I'm going to speak about it. And anyway, you cannot shame the shameless. That is one thing I'm glad about. I'm so shameful that I might not even notice that you're talking about me. Anyway, I decided to talk about it because I remember my first time. One, because of it's biological, there's nothing I can do. And two, because I remember my first time, I was so like ashamed of getting a pad. I think I've told the story before, where I went to different shops until I got the courage to like get it, because I was like, Actually, I think the first time I didn't get it, I used tissues that were a bit embarrassing because I had stains on my clothes. And the second time, I had to go to very many shops, until I gathered courage to like get it. So me talking about it is just encouraging a young girl out there who feels like, if I get the pads, people will know that I've started, and it's probably a shameful thing. Imagine it's not a shameful thing. Imagine it's a normal thing. So don't be ashamed of getting it, and don't be ashamed of the whole topic about periods and all that, because at the end of the day, that is one of the things that tells your body that you're fertile, although there are other many things. But if you don't get your periods, then you should be worried that something might not be okay. And also, I feel like many of us are not prepared for the period talk, or are not prepared to go about the periods, because especially on your first days, for most of us is not like regular. And personally, mine were not regular, and I remember I had to go through some medication, like some pills. Like a doctor gave me some pills to like regulate it, and with time I've come to realize that for some people it's not like natural. Sometimes, okay, for example, like I said before, for me it came like in December when I was in class 7, then the next one came in when I was in class 8, December again. Then from there it came, no, I think, yeah, the first time it came in December when I was in class 7. Then the second time it came again, some periods, when I was in class 8. Then after that I didn't get it until I was in form 1, probably in second term, and that is when the doctor gave me like some pills to like regulate it. So it's not something shameful, and if it's not normal, okay, if it doesn't come like regularly, then know that sometimes for some women, before your body like adapts, then sometimes it like changes. Like inakosa kukam regularly, but then if pia inakaa sana, then you might as well seek medical help. So this is not for medical reasons. It's just like to encourage you, like you should not be ashamed of that topic about the periods, about fertilities, about all that kind of thing. So yeah, let me dress up and call it a night. It's actually late. It's around 1. It's almost 1 on Tuesday, 2nd of June. This is Vaseline, by the way, in case you cannot see, it's Vaseline. I crack a lot, and that's why my lips are dark, because I lick on my lips a lot. So yep, have a good night. Bye bye. Hi guys, I hope you're good. I'm also well. Today is on Tuesday and I want to step out, but before I step out, let me submit my fit of the day. You've seen the dress before, but oh, I think you've also seen the shoes. Also, the shoes are white and some gold details. I also have some pearl and gold details as my jewelry, and the watch. I don't have a. I think I might change the bag. I might, but we'll see. And here's my scent of the day. And yep, that's all. I'm wearing a wig. I've not still done my hair. It looks awful, but for now, let's go chase some bags. I'm listening to an audiobook. That's why I have my, what do you call this? Anyway, I'm forgetting names right now. I feel confused because of something that is disturbing me in terms of work. So let's go out and do our best.
Thanks for hanging out with me. More good vibes, recipes, and adventures coming soon. You've been watching Carol on the Move.